everybody! Are you ready to create? Today we're going to learn about perspective. More specifically, 1-point perspective. You need a pencil, rubber and a ruler and some paper, of course. Perspective is a way to create space in a drawing. I'm going to show you how to do that. First, start by drawing a box at the edge of your paper. Just doing the edges as my guideline, and try to make it as straight as possible and as parallel as possible. Now we're going to find the middle of that square by drawing 2 diagonals from each corner, and in the middle, this is very important, we're going to mark our vanishing point. I'm just going to write VP in the middle. This is the point where all the lines are going to go to, and this is how we create perspective. Now we're going to close off our room by creating another square or rectangle nearer the vanishing point, a smaller square inside a bigger square. And if you've drawn your lines straight, then it should work out nicely. Now all the lines go towards the vanishing point. This is really important because this is how it's going to make our perspective effect. And things are getting smaller and smaller as you get to the center. That's how we're going to create the perspective. Now you can add furniture. I'm doing a door first by doing a vertical line, and then, this is really important, I'm using my ruler to create vanishing lines towards the vanishing point. So all the lines that are not verticals, they are going towards the vanishing point. And here is my door. See how it kind of angles towards the door? Now I'm going to do a little bookshelf, and same thing. So horizontal lines are just horizontal, and verticals are just normal vertical lines. But then all the lines going towards the end of the room, they are going towards the vanishing point. So I'm drawing them going towards the vanishing point, and I'm closing off my bookshelf. See how the bookshelf gets smaller as it goes away from you towards the vanishing point. Now, as you're making your own bedroom or imaginary bedroom, you can do what you want, add your own features. I'm adding some windows at the back of the room. I'm just doing 1-inch windows, and I'm using the width of the ruler to do that, to do the height of the window. And because the windows are at the back of the room, I don't need to use the vanishing point. I can just draw them as rectangles. There we have some windows, and I'm doing the sash now. Now I'm going to do a bunk bed. I'm looking at a childhood bedroom from the internet, and I'm just going to copy that. I'm adding some bunk beds, but it's nicer if you do your own bedroom or your own imaginary bedroom. I'm doing the posts, and then I'm making sure I'm going towards the vanishing line again. So I'm just doing a box again, and it's going towards the vanishing point. That closes off my bunk bed. Then I can add all the details like duvet and pillows, etc. And here's my finished basic bedroom. You need to add all your details. I added a carpet, but you can add toys, a desk, anything you have, and some colors, of course. That'd be lovely. Have fun doing this. Don't get frustrated if you can't do it on the first go. It's quite complicated, and just have a go. Bye!